Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a blue light card to your Apple Wallet. Now the first thing that we want to do is go into the App Store, and here we'll just use the search bar to search for Pass2EU. You need this application in order to add a blue light card to your Apple Wallet. So here you will click on the app that looks like this, Pass2EU Wallet, Add Store Cards. Just install it and click on Open. Now once you have the app open, we'll click on the orange plus sign in the bottom right and then apply a pass template. Okay, so you want to use the search bar in the top right to search for blue light, and it should give us a bunch of different options here, or templates. So choose the one that looks the most like your blue light card. For example, here this is the most applied. You want to click on it, and then you can change the card holder name by clicking on the pencil icon. For example, I'm going to type Peter, and you can change the card number, expiration date, and all the information here. So just fill it out depending on your card's info. Click on Done. Then you want to select Add. And now if I go back into my Apple Wallet, as you can see, I have two cards like that. As you can see, yeah, two cards like that, and you can use your blue light card. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.